Your story's not behind you. God is still in it. Joel 2 tells us that God restores the years the locusts have eaten. Neuroscience tells us that renewal begins when you stop rehearsing the old injury and begin rehearsing hope. If you've carried regret or loss this year, God is not finished. Restoration does not happen in a rush. It happens in the small returns to truth. So today, name one place you want God to restore you. Then breathe. Then write it down. My community walks through these things every week. My book was written from my own seasons of rebuilding. My YouTube channel teaches the steps your mind needs to heal. You're welcome with us. And remember, Jesus loves you. I love you. Mean it. Bye.